Hello, in this video we will discuss the concept of MAC aging. Guys, what is MAC aging? MAC aging means after how much time a unused entry in the MAC address table will be removed. By default, that timer is 300 seconds. It means if switch has learned some MAC addresses and those particular users are not communicating now, so switch will delete those entries after 300 seconds. So we can disable that particular aging also. So to disable the aging, you should set value to 0. By default value is 300 seconds. So there are different scenarios in which your MAC address table will be deleted, but aging and getting deleted are two different things. Let's say whenever your switch boots up, MAC address entries will be deleted. But if switch is still on and MAC address table entries are not used, they will age out. So guys, in this video, we understood the concept of MAC aging. Thank you.